PeoplePerHour Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing PeoplePerHour, a platform designed to connect businesses with freelancers for short-term and long-term projects. Links to PeoplePerHour's website and services are in the description below. PeoplePerHour is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, as well as freelancers looking for a steady stream of work in areas such as web development, design, writing, marketing, and more. The platform's focus is on providing a space for both clients and freelancers to collaborate efficiently and effectively. One of the main features of PeoplePerHour is the hourly system, where freelancers can offer predefined services at fixed prices. This makes it easy for clients to quickly find services that meet their needs without having to go through a lengthy bidding process. Freelancers can also bid on posted projects, providing flexibility for businesses looking for specific expertise. The platform offers a wide range of project categories, making it versatile for businesses in various industries. For freelancers, PeoplePerHour offers a user-friendly interface to manage projects, track hours worked, and communicate with clients. Freelancers can set their own hourly rate or price for specific services and bid on projects that align with their skill set. The platform charges a service fee of 20% on the first $500 earned, which decreases as freelancers build a reputation on the platform. This fee structure is relatively transparent, and the ability to offer fixed-price services gives freelancers more control over their earnings. PeoplePerHour also supports secure payments through its escrow system, ensuring that clients pay for work upon successful completion, and freelancers are protected from non-payment. The platform also includes a rating and review system, allowing clients to choose freelancers based on past performance and reviews. In summary, PeoplePerHour is an excellent choice for businesses and freelancers alike. It's user-friendly, offers flexible pricing, and has tools that streamline project management. Whether you're looking for talent or freelance work, PeoplePerHour provides a reliable platform to get things done. Check out the links in the description for more details, and feel free to share your experiences with PeoplePerHour in the comments below.